Your in-car life needs to be part of your entire life. And technology is the link that brings it all together in the new 2020 Sonata. Your smartphone has replaced your camera and wallet, but not your car keys until now.
Hey Mom, can I borrow the new car? Devin and I have a big date tonight.
Okay, but keep it local.
With Hyundai Digital Key, Mom can now securely toss a virtual key to her son, and using Hyundai Blue Link, create a geofence boundary to monitor his driving. Blue Link is also enhanced to heat or ventilate the seats, along with selecting the preferred in-vehicle profile. Your profile includes radio presets, seat and mirror positions, and navigation preferences. It's loaded using Blue Link Remote Start or Digital Key. Hyundai vehicles can also read and reply to text messages in a quick and safe manner. Finding destinations is a breeze just by using your voice.
Find Stoken Donuts.
Easily get Blue Link notifications on your smartwatch, letting you know when he's driven a little too far. And yes, you can take the digital key back with a touch of a button, turn off access, and give it to someone who's a little more responsible.
Oh shoot, my mom revoked my key.
If you like what your smartphone has done for your life, you're going to love the all-new 2020 Sonata.